Don't just study English, live it. Welcome to the Speak English with ISEL podcast. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're not just talking about grammar, we're talking about your life. If you feel like a robot every time you talk about yesterday, this episode is your cure. And today, I'm joined by a special guest, an entrepreneur who's always on the move, Abdul Rahman. Welcome to the studio.
Thanks, Isel. Honestly, I'm excited but a bit frustrated. Yesterday, I had a huge meeting for my new store, Dream Shoes. I wanted to tell the investors what we achieved, but I kept saying, yesterday I go and we build the shop. I felt like I was back in grade school.
Laughing gently. Stop right there. Yesterday I go. Abdul Rahman, that is the fluency killer. You're an entrepreneur. You need to sound like a leader. In the world of business and storytelling, the past simple is your sword. If you don't sharpen it, you don't win.
Exactly. It's that ED sound and those irregular verbs. They're like a maze. How do I escape?
It's simpler than you think. Listeners, grab your notebooks. To master the past, you need two things: rhythm and the story. Abdul Rahman, let's play a game. I'll give you a verb in the present, and you try to throw it into the past. Ready? Ready. Let's do it. Verb 1. Work.
Worked. Worked.
Good, but careful with the pronunciation. In American English, it's not worked, it's a sharp T sound at the end. Worked. Say it with me.
Worked. Sounds much more natural.
Perfect. Verb 2, buy.
Buyed? No, wait. Bought.
Correct. Now here is the secret blueprint for everyone listening. Don't memorize lists of verbs. Instead, build a story. Abdul Rahman, tell me about your day yesterday. But every time you use a past verb, I want you to say it with power.
Okay. Yesterday, I woke up at 6 a.m. I drank my coffee and drove to the new branch. I met the team and we planned the big launch.
Now we're talking. You see, you just painted a picture. You didn't study English, you lived your day again in the past.
It feels different when I think of it as a story. But what about the S rule we talked about in the last episode? Does it work in the past?
Great question. Here's the best news you'll hear all day. The past simple is fair. It doesn't care if it's he, she, it, or they. Everyone gets the same verb. I worked, you worked, they worked. It's the easiest tense in English if you master the irregulars.
That's a relief. So, Isel, if I'm in a meeting in London or New York and I want to sound professional, what's your number one tip?
My number one tip? The shadowing technique. Listen to this podcast, pause it after I speak, and mimic my rhythm. Don't just learn the word bought, feel the bought. For everyone watching, we have a challenge. In the comments below, I want you to write 3 things you did yesterday. But here's the catch. One of them must be a lie. Abdul Rahman and I will try to guess which one is the fake story.
I'm in. I'll check the comments myself. This was a game changer, Isel. I feel like my Dream Shoes pitch just got a lot stronger.
That's the power of the ISEL podcast. Remember, the past is gone, but the way you talk about it defines your future.
Well said. See you in the next episode.
Absolutely. Until then, don't just study English, live it. Goodbye.